Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on a few Halloween projects today and I hope that you will join me. For my Halloween idea today, I will be making some Halloween noise makers. The main items you will need for this project are 6 lanterns. I have these lanterns that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I have this one that has a witch flying over the graveyard. I have the scaredy cat with the moon and the lanterns with the ghosts. You will also need a handle for your noisemaker. I will be using a 12-inch dowel rod, and you can find them in the round or in the square. I'll let you decide which one you want to use. You will need some Chanel stems in coordinating Halloween colors. You will need some noise makers. I have some beads here in different sizes and colors. I also have some round pearl and glass beads that will help me. You will need some paints. I have 2 shades of oranges here. I have a lighter one and a darker shade. I have black, purple, and white. I will be using glitter also. I have the iridescent glitter blue, a dark orange, a lighter shade of orange, and a yellow. I would also like to use some 3D fabric paint. I have the yellow, the white, and the black. You will need some Halloween ribbons too, and I'll let you decide which colored Halloween ribbons you would like to use. You will also need some sort of adornments if you want to add that to your noisemaker. I have some mini skulls here that I will use. You will also need some acetate. You need a fairly thick one, and you need plenty to cover your lantern here where the die cut is. You will need your pencils, your scissors, your ruler, your glue or hot glue gun, your craft knife, plus any other embellishments you want to add to your project. And I will let you know if we need any additional supplies to complete our project. The first thing I would like to do is to separate my lantern. Well, partially. I want to take this backing off right here, and I want to take the lantern off and to take the string out here. I have cleaned up and separated all the pieces that I need to. When you've done, you should have a piece like this. You have the 2 solid pieces, the die cut, the top and the bottom. From the second lantern, what you need to save is the die cut part and this. What this is this top piece there. They're just stacked like this. So just pop that off. And you'll want to largen that hole so you can get your dowel through there. Once you have everything cleaned up, go ahead and do your touch-up painting. And I'm using acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree. And go ahead and any spot painting you need to do, go ahead and do that. Like right here where the glue's coming out, I'm going to cover that. It's not necessary because I'll show you why in a minute, but just in case. It might shine through, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and cover that. And let's see. That looks pretty good. While my painting is drying, I'm going to go ahead and cut my acetates. And I want to cut wide enough to just to fit right on the inside of the die cut piece. So, and you can always measure it, take that, put it right in there, and then you can grab a marker, put a dot there, and then go ahead and trim those down. So this is going to end up being about 1 3/4. And they are about, let's see, 4.5 inch long. So when I put it on my thing here, it should have it centered. So I just need to trim about 1/4 of an inch. So I am at, okay, kind of hard to see. It's plastic. I think I'm gonna go like 4 1/8. Get that one out of the way before I trim the wrong one. And then I'm gonna take that. So that would be a good size. Get a little bit on space in the all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and trim one for each section. So I need 6 of these. The next thing I want to do is then go ahead and stack these. I want to show you right quick If you don't want to do this, you can always use this section right here and then just drill a hole in the center of this one. But I like to do things different. So I have, oops, I want to make sure this is to the inside. I forgot to paint that anyhow. I'll get that. And then it's going to get centered on the hole right here. And let's see, I need my adhesive. I have this Fix All adhesive from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to just run it around the edge of the square block. Just a little bit of glue. Okay, and then center it on here. I did a horrible job, but anyhow, there we go. Let me do that to all three pieces. I also want to go ahead and paint my dowels, and I'm going to paint one orange, the other purple and black. I am going to go ahead and add my acetate to the back of each one of these die cuts, and I have decided to use the glossy accent. I think that'll work better. I'm just going to run some glue all the way around. And then I'm going to take one of these and just set that right on top. Press down so the glue catches. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that to the rest. I'm going to reassemble these lanterns, and I want to leave the base for last, so I need to put this piece back on. And I have this here, and it's going to go this way, but I want to put a little bit of glue here, so that'll help to hold it in place so I don't lose all my little noisemakers I'm going to put in here. I don't want to put too much glue on there, just a little bit. And then I need to put some here and there. And then this is going to slide back in here, wiggle it in there, and then drop that. And I need some rubber band. And let's see, I just want to hold that in place until it dries. And I gotta make sure that it flushes all the way around. I don't want it squishing together too much. The bottom piece won't fit right. I need something to keep this up right here. It keeps wanting to drop. There we go. I want to put that down and let that dry. And then I'm going to do this one. And the same thing, just put a little bit of glue. I am now ready to fill my new noisemakers. First of all, I have some skulls that I painted with a glow paint. I'm going to drop one of these in there on each one. I think it's going to look really, really, really good. You know, when you go mess with your rattle, you're going to have a glowing skull in there. I just want to make sure they're facing the right direction, at least up and down. And then I have these beads here. I think these will work really well. I've been looking for a purpose to use these, because I think the more you have in there, the better. And then I have some of these white ones. I think these will work really well. But they're actually just the 2 beads, and they've just been cut down to a very tiny size. I think that I can drop some of this in there. I'm dropping the pearl ones in there. I found some spiders and a bat. So what they are just rings. And they really won't make noise, but it'll make it look really cute. You know. And so put 2 spiders and a bat. I'm going to put the handles on my new noisemaker. So I'm going to match the dowels to the noisemaker itself. So I'm going to put some glue on here, and I'm going to turn this upside down. That way I can put some glue in here. And let's see, I'm going to put my hand on here, and then that's what it sounds like. Now, if you're not happy with the sound it's making, you can always add more but you'll have to feed it through the hole right there. So I'm gonna kind of run the glue around the edge there, and then go ahead and add the dowel. And you can tell when you look inside, so about how much your handle is sticking up. Maybe 1/4 of an inch. I think that's a good amount for it to go through. Depending on what glue you use, be careful you don't put too much on there, because it will drip into your the contents you have inside, and it's going to end up being glued together. So let's see. I just gotta look inside to see how far my dowel is and showing up on the inside. I think that one's good. While these are drying, I'm going to work on putting my ribbons together, and I'm going to tie a ribbon, could make like a tassel right here, right underneath where the dowel meets the noisemaker itself. So I have a bunch of Halloween ribbons that I think will be cute to add, and I want it to hang back down like this. So I like this one. It says trick or treat, and this is about 16 inches. I think that's a good size. And once you tie it off, it'll stream like that, right? Really cute. I have all my ribbons cut down, and I do have 3 piles going. So next, what I want to do is tie my my bunch of ribbons to the handle. But what I want to do first is kind of put a knot in here. This will also help hold my ribbons together, and then just kind of eyeball where the center is, and I'm going to put a knot here, because I do have some wide ribbons and then I have some string ones. I want to kind of keep it together. Put another knot in there, see there, and then I want to put some glue on the dowel itself right there. And then I'm going to take my bunch of ribbon here, and then just tie it around the dowel. Take the whole bunch and let's see. I just need to pull everything a little tight, because I have one sticking out right here. I'm trying to see where that one is coming out from. There we go. All right, now, well, this is going to be fun. Okay, and push it all the way up and tighten everything. I think I'm gonna I need to hold this side and then pull on all the ribbons on the other side. Make sure everything is tightened. And then just push it all the way up to the base of the new noisemaker like that. See there how cute? I like it. And then I'm going to take my ribbons here and just kind of like match it up a little bit. I don't want them all the same length, so I just want to cut out anything that's sticking way out. Like that. I like it. And give that another tug. I think that I have glue in there, so that'll hold it somewhat together, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other two. So here is the purple noise maker. Cute, right? I like it. And then here's the orange one. And the black one. I love it. Really cute. Now I want to, let me push these aside. I want to do a little embellishing on this piece right here. I think I want to, I have this thing here. This would look cute, right? If I put it around here. Just like that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I have some spiders here. Maybe one of these, right on top. And then I have this one too. How cute is that? So it'll look like that. How cute! Oh look, it just fits right on the thing too. Oh, it was made for it. Okay, so we will use this one. So you can look underneath the spider there, how high it is off of it. So I have to attach it by the legs. I need some glue right there. I need some here. I like it. Very cute. Okay, now I'm gonna let this dry and let me see what I will do with the orange one. I have some Chanel stem too. I think that'll work too. Look at that. See there? It gives it a really nice clean look. So I need some glue right there. And then bend it all the way around. Let's see, put some more glue here. Now with all the shiny glue I'm leaving behind, I will just go over any shiny parts of the glue from the glue. I will just go over it with some paint. And come back on this side. And just trim this. my new Halloween noisemakers. Look at that. How cute are they? I love the way they turned out. So just think, it used to be a lantern, right? It is now a noisemaker. Look at that, cute. This one I put the black Chanel stem around the edge here, and then I put a skull at the top. And then inside, you saw it, right? I have look, my spider's coming through. Cute. And then here's the one with the witch. And this one, I put the eyelash trim around the edge. Cute. I like it. And then here's the jack-o'-lantern one. And then I put a pumpkin at the top. See that? How cute. And I had decided I don't want anything on the side, so I took my bling blings back off, and I like it. I thought that when I added the bling, it would look really cute. It did, but it was just a bit too much. But I like it. It is really cute. I'm glad I gave these a try, and I hope that you like them and that you give them a try also. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.